What's up, everyone? I hope everyone's enjoying another new day. As you can probably tell, actually beautiful out there, but also partly cloudy, so let's go ahead and take on our day. And this is what I've been doing, guys, since I woke up. I also took a shower, as you can probably tell. Feels nice. I'm also getting ready to start on editing my YouTube videos. So here's my software right there. This is my editing program, guys. You seem to think I'm gonna change my review. You seem to think I'm gonna change it. But yeah. Let me show you this. That's how my software works when it comes to put the footage on there. And here's the unfortunate part. I have to do these one at a time, or I'm going to be stuck rearranging them. That's not how it used to be, but the way it used to be with these guys is that the order that this stuff was in was actually reversed, so that I could just highlight it all. And simply mash it all together. Well, apparently my computer seems to be saying it's 79 degrees outside down there in that corner. Yeah, these two are still leery.
Olympic stages to Hollywood lights is an inspiring blend of sports and art. They welcomed their first son, Charlie Ocean, in 2015, and their second son, River Joe, in 2017.
Hello. That's the cutest one.
Kris Jenner, the queen mother of the Kardashian-Jenner empire, has become a cultural icon thanks to her the show Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Not only is she the mother of 6 children, but Kris is also a powerful manager and producer, turning her family into one of the most famous brands in the world. Her role as the manager has changed the way celebrity branding is done and influenced social media in the 21st century. The two are said to have met for the first time
Doggies.
in 2014 at the Carno T-shirt's 40th birthday party in Ibiza. Despite a 25-year age gap, they quickly built
Doggies.
a strong bond. Their relationship began
Doggies.
in the spotlight and developed into a long-term partnership that defied all doubts and predictions.
Come on.
Their love
It's okay.
has always been characterized by mutual respect. Corey has always stood quietly
Wrong way.
as a strong supporter. He has built a close relationship with Kris's children and is often seen as a trusted member of the family, especially close to Kendall and Kylie Jenner. Despite frequent rumors about marriage or breakups, both Kris and Corey affirm that their relationship remains
Hello.
because it is based on trust and friendship.
Great are you guys in? Today's a Thursday, but you guys are probably watching this on Friday. So if you're watching this on Friday, guess what? You made it to the end of the week.
Yeah. As you can see, I pulled in a DoorDash order. Wasn't that much. But yeah, look at that. And yeah, I had 2 of these in the order. I put the other in a cup. The bottle's right here.
Big shout out to you. Also, I used to do shout outs. Make sure you guys follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. But my Instagram is currently disabled.
This was an awesome night, guys.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
That was my brother.
In the middle.
My brother and his friend Trey. Me and my brother's Goofy.
Jimmy, $5, you won't run up there, touch it, and then run.
That was Trey.
Oh man, I
My
ran
friend
out of
Trey.
storage.
You'd have to bet your entire fucking accident money for that shit.
That was an awesome night.
Fuck, dude.
One rare occasion where my brother and I got along so perfectly in that point in time, and we just wanted to do something stupid. That was by far one of the best nights I'd had up there in Ashland. Oh. This is what I've been doing, everyone. Now tomorrow I'm gonna be heading out somewhere.
Like, imagine hanging out of here, like, go to this art next.
Start figuring out who's hungry.
Imagine, like, sleeping here, like, when the camp was active, and you just wake up in the middle of the night because you get pissed or something, and you see
And
this
I'm hoping for it to be somewhere nearby. Yeah.
It's coming from
Let's hope for the best.
It's very faint. I don't really like his people.
That I get a job soon and that my ID shows up soon. Oh, I know a little bit of why I'm able to stay up later at nights again. And it's the fact that I'm getting extra sleep during the day, taking naps and whatnot. Well, I won't be able to do that tomorrow. Tomorrow, after meeting this person, and possibly before, I have to go looking for jobs. Well, guess it's about that time, everyone. So if you enjoyed, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. Go ahead and check out the links to my other YouTube channels in the bio. Go ahead and follow me on social media. And go ahead and check out my referral links. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.